Guys, what's up? Coming back with another cooking video this week. We are going to do a Mississippi pot roast, kind of with a little bit of a twist though. My wife wants more of like a stew. So we're going to add potatoes, carrots, some celery, and then I'm going to add some water with some Better Than Bouillon beef based stuff. And we're going to throw it all in the Instant Pot. It'll take probably about 2 hours to cook or so, since the meat's not frozen. So I'm going to get this stuff chopped up and we'll be back with you guys in a second. Guys, so we got all of our stuff chopped up here. We got celery, carrots, and potatoes at the bottom. Now we're going to saute this giant chunk of meat on our Instant Pot. We just set it to the saute mode. Saute both sides for a couple minutes just to give it a nice brown. And then we'll be back to put everything all together and get her going. We'll see you in a minute.
Oh.
Alright guys, we got this all sauteed up. So we got some nice little brown bits all in there. Now we're going to put everything together in the Instant Pot.
Yes.
So we'll take our sauteed meat here. Throw her in there. Just like that. And I'm going to pour a little bit of water in here. I guess it's still hot.
Is that steam or is that like fog?
It's steam. Okay. Pour a little bit of water in there like that. That'll hopefully cool it off a little bit. Now, we're going to do a packet of au jus gravy mix and a packet of ranch mix. You gotta pay attention if you're going to be a camera woman, dude.
Yeah.
So we'll just sprinkle the au jus mix on top just like that. Okay. There we go. A little bit more. And then we'll sprinkle on a packet of ranch dressing mix here. Just like that. Now, let's see. Oh, I gotta grab a spoon real quick. 1 second. Now, we did 2 cups of water. So what we're gonna do is add 2 tablespoons of this Better Than Bouillon in there.
Gross.
Get off my spoon.
It looks gross, but also it looks like chocolate.
Alright. Now, you can do this without adding the water and the Better Than Bouillon and just do the roast. It usually has a pretty good amount of liquid in it, just doing the roast by itself. But we're trying to make it more of a stew. So, now we're going to add some pepperoni juice and some pepperoncinis to it. Ooh. They're a little bit spicy. And you just probably do about half this jar of pepperoncinis, I would say. For some reason, pepperoncinis are my favorite part of this recipe, because for some reason when you leave them in here with this roast like this, man, it just makes them so good.
Can I try one?
It takes a lot of the spice out of them, but makes them delicious. You want to try one? Let's see if we can find you a small one. Got a little more juice in there.
Just a tiny one.
Let me see if I can find you a tiny one. Apparently we're doing most of the jar, I guess. So, but that's just because that's my favorite part about this recipe is the pepperoncinis. Now, because I'm an amateur and haven't gotten everything ready yet, grab us a stick of butter. And we'll just plop a whole stick of butter in there. Or half a stick? I don't know. These new butters, they seem kind of like they're half a stick, not a whole stick like they used to be back when I was a kid.
I didn't want to
Stick that on there like that, and then we will add our celery, our carrots,
and potatoes.
and potatoes. Oh, we're getting kind of full here. We're filling this Instant Pot up pretty good.
Can I have one piece of potato? Because it's a lot.
No. You want a raw potato, dude?
Have I tried it?
They're not cooked yet.
Does it really matter that much?
It does.
Okay.
Trust me. You don't want to eat raw potatoes. Well, we're not even going to be able to use all the stuff we cut up because our Instant Pot got too full. Alrighty, now
That looks good.
we'll put our lid on. Make sure you set it to seal. And then we'll do meat and stew for about 2 hours.
2 hours, it's forever.
Well, if you do it in a crock pot, it takes like 8 hours. So luckily the Instant Pot's fast. Alright, so 2 hours. And then we'll be back with you guys in 2 hours to give this a taste test. Alright guys, so it's been about 2 hours. And all I did was I took a spoon like this, a ladle, and all I did was stir it up, and all the meat just kind of shredded on its own. So now we have our little Mississippi pot roast stew. We're going to get some of this in a bowl and do a taste test, and we'll be right back with you. All right, let's do the taste test here. Ooh, those potatoes are nice and soft. Mmm. Whew. It's still hot. Yeah, that is delicious. All right, our camera girl wants to do a taste test. Be careful, baby. It's really hot still. Someone, one of you guys left your apples on the counter.
Yeah.
Be really careful. I just burned my mouth.
This one's hot.
Too hot? You good?
Mm-hmm.
All right. There you have it. Mississippi pot roast stew. Extremely delicious. Very easy to make. And if you don't have an Instant Pot, or if you want to do the all-day thing, you can just put it in your crock pot for 8 hours on low, like you would a normal pot roast. So give it a try. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button if you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you guys later.